Elegance meets comfort in this gorgeous West Linn home located on a quiet corner lot. It's ideally situated near the Willamette River, parks, trails, schools, and more. The inviting covered front porch welcomes you to this home of more than 3,400 square feet. Inside, you'll discover updated living spaces with custom built-in cabinetry and tons of natural light. In the spacious family room, you can relax by the fireplace. Or enjoy the chef's kitchen with quartz countertops, Miele appliances, 2 ovens, a gas range, and abundant storage. The private and peaceful backyard is ideal for entertaining with the recently built vaulted roof. The main level also includes a well-appointed office with high-end custom cabinetry. Upstairs, the primary bedroom suite features vaulted ceilings and expansive views. Unwind in the primary bath with a jetted soaking tub, separate shower, and a large walk-in closet. The bonus room is perfect for a home theater, game room, gym, or perhaps all 3. 3 additional bedrooms and another full bath complete this upper floor. A thoughtfully designed home in a fantastic location. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact Carl Iiams with Premier Property Group.